Hi, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. We have some upcoming agent training events I want you to be aware of. This upcoming August 20th, we have Aetna's 2020 rollouts. Should be exciting. There's going to be door prizes, giveaways, and a chance to win an iPad. You'll also take part of the Part 3 workshop, which SES has done throughout the summer of 2019. If you missed Part 1, Part 2, don't worry about it. We'll catch you up for Part 3. Let's increase your sales, increase your knowledge, and have a fantastic AEP. Our next training event, which is coming up, is August 28th. HAP has a mandatory face-to-face training. If you're interested in offering HAP in 2020 or you have current renewals from previous business, this is a mandatory training which HAP is providing. Once again, that date's August 28th. And then on September 17th, we have a Priority Health mandatory face-to-face training. Meet the carriers, meet the staff of SES, phone us if you have any questions, 248-270-9577, or for all things agent related, visit us at seniorenrollmentsolutions.com/agents.